Do you face such troubles when tablet pressing? Tablets are not compact enough. The machine is very noisy when running. Model replacement is cumbersome. Not anymore. JinLu Packing brings you the HZP 1520D Intelligent Rotary Tablet Press. High output 90,000 pieces per hour for pressing round and irregular ring tablets with max diameter 25mm and stable tablet weight. The error is less than or equal to plus or minus 2%. Powder circulation system. No residual powder on the turret. Monitor the pressure of each punch in real time. Automated detection of tableting under unacceptable pressure. Smart AI rejection will reject unqualified tablets. At high-speed operation, the machine noise is less than 65 dBA. The stainless steel turret by CNC to ensure the accuracy and wear resistance of each middle mold. Say goodbye to hammers and complete mold assembly and assembly by hand in only 15 minutes. Our HZP series Intelligent Tablet Press has more advantages. If you want to know more, welcome to connect us.